Do your washer sound like this on the spin cycle after laying it down, moving it around, or washing an extra heavy load on it? The problem could be that the skate plate has moved out of place. To reset the skate plate, you need to lift the tub, grab the skate plate, turn it around until this flat surface is pointing to the front. Then you will lower the tub. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Open the controls panel and remove the cabinet. You're going to need two helpers to help you lift the tub assembly. Have them step on the frame of the machine to hold it down. Then they need to grab the spin drum like this. Make sure they don't grab it like this on the plastic or they're going to rip off the whole plastic off. Have them grab the spin drum, lift it, and hold it in that position until you get under the machine and straighten out the skate plate. Grab the skate plate and turn it and set it in this position. Now they can lower the drum assembly down, and you're going to simulate like the washer is in spin to make sure that the plate is in place. If the plate feels good, reassemble the washer and try it out. The washer should sound like this now. If the washer is still shaking and making noises, you're going to have to do it all over again until you get it right.